That guy again, and here's today's fun. Put some screws in my dirt bike tires, cheap studs. Again, Maryland is frozen right now. I got 3/8" here and 1/2" ones here. And a bunch of them at Home Depot, hardware store. So, anyways, I'm baked racing. I used to race dirt bikes pro. So, anyways, Maryland's in a deep freeze. Half the bay is frozen as well. And being I'm always out on the bay on my boat, I think it might be fun to take on the bay. 300 two-stroke. Oh, there you go. Did some ice riding. There's the screws. Hardly lost any. That thing was gripping. I was having a hard time breaking it loose. Not bad for some old Tri-Rada tires and some screws. Have fun ripping it. Sheet metal screws work good.